man, this dude fucking put his hands on me, man, while I'm sitting with my daughter. For real. Sir, this ass nigga over there, man. This nigga dude punched me in my fucking neck while I'm sitting down with my daughter. First he comes to me talking about, let's have it. I'm coming to you, talking to you with respect and as a man. I'm just sitting down with my daughter. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting down at the table. This motherfucker gets mad at what I say and punches me in my neck. Literally. While my daughter is sitting next to me. Dude, I live in his house. Put it like this. Somebody.
Stop that fucking shit I'm talking about, cuz. Everybody, cuz. Are you for real? Man, shut up. No, because I'm CDP's, cuz.
That's crazy.
I'm allowed to talk to you.
Are you for real?
I'm allowed to talk to you.
Why are you videotaping? Nobody did it.
I'm filming the cops and I don't need no permission.
Cut that shit off.
I'm filming the cops, man. I'm looking out for y'all. You're on fucking camera anyway, man.
At the end of the day, bro, we still controlled by the police, bro. We still controlled by the police. We don't need no ID for argument. We're still controlled by the police, bro.
Hey, I'm looking out for you, homie. You know cops fucking kill and shoot people, fucking rape little kids, fucking plant drugs on people, man. I'm Copwatch, man. I look out for people, man. You know what? Fuck you, man. I'll look out for this guy then.
No, it's like, you know, bro, yeah. Up until
What the fuck you doing, man?
no, we all come in, bro. Hey, but I appreciate it. Okay, just ask me. I'm gonna back up right now. Okay, man, thanks. Right now, bro.
Yeah, that's the same dude from the pizza place.
He ain't got no love for me. I said that shit is now. He ain't got no love for me.
He's had love for each other, bro. He did, bro.
Kid, pick me out your house with a text message. So that's love, that's brother. No reason even. I mean, that shit happened. You know what I'm saying? But